Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Arshadulla Noor. I am a machine learning intern at Strat-Tech Academy. In this video, I will be explaining about the tasks that I have performed in Jupyter Notebook. Problem statement. Create a linear regression model in Python or R to predict the CTC or salary of a new hires from the data provided. Here, to do this task, I will be using Python. I am importing Pandas and seaborn libraries which we'll be using. Now I am reading training dataset which has been provided to us. It is an Excel file. I am dropping serial number cause it's not useful for us. Now I am seeing the info of the dataset. Here we have 3 object data types, 4 int data types and 1 float data type. Now I am visualizing the data through seaborn library and plotting a pair plot. Here I am converting categorical variables into numerical variables. You can see if he is a manager we have 1, if he is an executive we have 0, if he lives in metro city we have 0, if he lives in a non-metro city we have 1. Again I am visualizing the data through heat map using seaborn library. Here I am importing linear regression from scikit-learn library. Now I am training linear regression model. Now I am reading testing data set which has been provided. Here we have unnecessary columns which we will be dropping here, and I am renaming some columns so we don't have problem afterwards. Now again I am converting categorical variables into numerical variables in this dataset. I am checking the info of the dataset here. Now I am testing the linear regression model and storing my predictions from the model in this variable. Now I am doing model evaluation. I am importing mean square error from scikit-learn library. This is our mean square error which we have got. Here I am inserting predicted CTCs in our dataset. Now I am displaying the dataset. These are the predicted CTCs which we got from our linear regression model. That's it. Thank you.